You want to set up a video chat for your website, easy doable with Let's Connect. Hi, I'm Daniel, and how to set up the chat widget and what's next once you have registered, I will show you in that video.
Once you have registered, you will see that screen here. What I really would recommend is that you start the quick guide and you go over the quick guide so you have some insights and some informations, what Let's Connect is, what the menu points are, in which menu item you can find what. So once you have done this, you can create your first dialog. This is possible inside the menu item Web Connect. The first thing would be that you give it an internal name. I just call it demo right now. Also, once you have created a widget, you will get an email with instructions and you can forward this directly to your webmaster, because inside this email there's also the script code. If you are possible to integrate it by yourself, just copy it and paste it into the footer of your website. So it's really easy setup, copy pasting, and all the rest can be done here inside. I just switch over to Web Connect. You can turn it off for a while till all the settings will be done. So here inside the settings, you can decide which kind of visibility you can offer to your website visitor. I would recommend to put it always on and directly show a contact form if no one is online. Why? Because then your website visitors still have the possibility to enter lead details. If you set it up to custom time, this is also possible, and you say just show it on different work times, let's say from 7 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening, then your website visitors would have not the possibility to give you lead information outside of this availability. I would also set this down to 0. This means the widget will be loaded after 0 seconds, so immediately once your website is finished loaded. That's why it is in the footer. If you want to load it directly before your website is fully loaded, you can put the script code also in the header. This is how many seconds it will ring till the lead form will appear. So if you're not answering a call inside the 60 seconds, then the lead form will appear to the website visitor. Yeah, all the rest I think is really easy to understand. You can hide the dialog on mobile. You can hide the dialog if no one is currently online. But as I already said, I would directly show up the content form if nobody is online. So here inside these settings, you can change text, you can change the display options, you can decide which kind of request options I want to have, but all these settings I will show you in detail in another video. What I would also recommend is inside the user settings to directly put in the correct display name. I wrote now in here John. I would also recommend to upload a photo of yourself, so this is much more personal to your website visitors. Yeah, so I think for the beginning that's it. Once you have everything fully set up, you can turn this on and you are live. But how to set up your widget, just click the video. Thanks for visiting and see you soon.